Okay, so let's take a quick look at what comes in the kit. So first off, you get a carrying bag. So this is made out of mesh. So it'll help this thing if it ever gets wet, it could air dry, keep it lightweight. So these are the straps. Very nice, comfortable rubber handles. It's adjustable right through here. You can make it shorter. So there's two straps, and it comes with heavy duty buckles. Very heavy duty. These here are door stops. So you would open up your door and you would hang this on the other side of the door and you would close the door, and that would keep it locked in. Or you could put it underneath the door as well. So, or you do how I did it, find a fence. If you like working out outdoors, find a fence or just a pole, you can clip it on and you're good to go. I actually really like working out outdoors, out in the sun. So you get that. This is another attachment here. So it has the door stop and extra length if you need it any longer. Okay. And it comes with an extra strap here, this black strap. So it all fits into this bag. And the cool thing is they do give you, the seller does give you a piece of paper with all the different exercises you can do. I just showed you some of my favorite ones, but there's like a ton of other exercises you can do. You can work on your legs, your arms, your back, your chest, a total body workout. And there we go.